Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. Some of you might notice there are some similarities between the W221H and the AE1200 Casio Royale. I found code 3299 on the W221H module, which might refer to the AE1200 module code. However, the button pusher position is actually a few millimeters different. So some may be wondering, is it possible to swap the case and module of both watches? So let's try it out, the joy of Casio modding. First, let me open the AE1200. And then the W221H. Now this is side-by-side view. There are several similarities. The shape of the module is the same, the size is about the same, the position of the buzzer on the backplate is also the same, meaning the contact is easier. The position of the battery holder and others are also similar. And also code 3299, which is the same for both on the lower right. This is actually the module code of the AE1200, so it is possible that the W221H module physical design and parts are based on the AE1200 module. Okay, now I take out the AE1200 module. Also the insert or faceplate. Then I take out the W221H module slowly. This one has no insert. Now let's put the W221H module into the case of the AE1200. Moment of truth. It's working. The buttons are also working, and here is how it looks. Before finishing with the backplate, let me also check if it is possible to put the AE1200 module in the W221H case. It's in. The front side looks very good, but it seems to stick out at the back. Here is how it looks with the backplate. Not working. There is a gap. Here I try again. AE1200 module in W221H case, but this time without the faceplate. Maybe it's just me, still has a gap. I cannot seem to make it fit. The buttons also do not work well. So this one is not working. Not a mistake, just a happy little accident. But feel free if you want to try, maybe it works for you. I will put the faceplate back in and then store the AE1200 module and W221H case together. Back to the W221H module in the AE1200 case. Time to put the backplate temporarily with 2 screws for now. Check buttons and everything. Buzzer beep works, backlight works, buttons work well. The only problem is the edges of the display look naked with no insert, so it looks like an unfinished product, but still unique. Now put the remaining screws. And here is the result for now. Maybe I will try to make an insert or faceplate when I have time. This one is an interesting project, hopefully useful. You might want to try this. Perhaps you have an old AE1200, AE1300 or WS1600 or an SKXMOD metal case for Casio Royale or a SKXMOD homage you want to use. Thank you for watching and have fun.